Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Maths Easy. In the previous lesson, in the previous class, we learned exercise 1b and today we are going to learn exercise 1c. The chapter is polynomial. The chapter is polynomial, guys. In this chapter, we are going to learn about remainder theorem. In this chapter we are going to learn about remainder theorem. When fx is divided by x minus a, suppose f is a function of x and is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is fa. Then the remainder is fa. It is possible when, it is only possible when fx is a polynomial of degree greater than and equal to 1. मीन्स ये कहना चाह रहा है कि fx जो है वो अगर किसी की x माइनस ए से डिवाइड हो रहा है तब रिमाइंडर क्या होगा, हमेशा f इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ a रिमाइंडर होगा. ये तभी पॉसिबल होगा जब fx जो है वो एक पॉलिनोमियल है और उसकी डिग्री क्या होगी, ग्रेटर देन 1 और इक्वल टू 1 के बराबर होगी. n इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 1. Here a is any real number and a is any real number. ज़्यादा समय को बर्बाद न करते हुए हम लोग सीधा क्वेश्चन पे चलेंगे और आपको बस वहीं पे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि मैंने कैसे कैसे आप लोग को सवाल बताया है. ठीक है, एक्सरसाइज है 1c. क्वेश्चन नंबर है 1. यूजिंग रिमाइंडर थ्योरम यू हैव टू फाइंड द रिमाइंडर. You have to find the remainder. The first question is x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 3 is divided by friends, is divided by x minus 1 and is divided by x minus 1. Fine. Then what is the solution? The solution is, मैंने आपको क्या बताया, इस x minus a, when is number is divided by x minus a, this is a polynomial, means this is a function of x and is divided by x minus a, then fa is the remainder. Then fa is the remainder. First of all, x minus 1 is equals to 0, that is x is equals to 1, and that is x is equals to 1, and we know that by remainder theorem fx is divided by, when fx is divided by x minus 1, it gives the remainder, it gives the remainder f1 and it gives the remainder f1, है ना. That is, now f1 is equals to, first of all we write fx. What is the fx? The x cube minus 6x square plus 9x and plus 3, and f1 is equals to, and f1 is equals to, in the place of x we have to write 1. We have to write 1. Then 1 cube minus 6 1 square plus 9 into 1 plus 3, that is equals to 1 cube is 1 minus 6 into 1 square. 1 square is 1 into minus 6, that is minus 6, plus 9 into 1 9 and plus 3, that is equals to 9 and 3 12, 12 and 1 13, and 13 minus 6 is 7, and 7 is our answer. Therefore the remainder will be, and hence the required remainder will be 7. Required remainder will be 7. बहुत ही सिंपल है ना दोस्तों. We move on the question number 2. Same इसी की तरह है, ज़्यादा भारी नहीं है, आपको डरने वाली बात नहीं है, बस आप प्रैक्टिस करिएगा, आपसे बन जाएगा। Here, suppose fx is equals to 2x cube minus 5x square plus 9x minus 8 is divided by friends x minus 3. And what is the solution? The solution is when x minus 3 is divided by fx, then remainder will be fa. Then remainder will be fa means x minus 3 is equals to 0, that is x is equals to 3, and the remainder will be the function of 3. Now means when fx is divided by x minus 3, it gives remainder f3 means function of 3. Okay friends, now what is our fx? Fx is 2x cube minus 5x square plus 9x minus 8, and in the place of x we have to write the 3, then 2 into 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square plus 9 into 3 and minus 8 is equals to 2 into 3 cube. 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. 27 minus 3 square, 5 into 3 square is 9, minus plus 9 into 3 is 27 minus 8. 27 2s are 54 minus 5 9s are 45 plus 27 minus 8, that is equals to, therefore 54 and 54 and 27. 54 and 27 is 81, and minus 45 and minus 8 is minus 53, and is equals to 81 minus 53, and 81 minus 53 is 28, and 28 our answer. That is, hence required remainder will be 28, and 28 is our answer. Okay, now friends, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से लेकर के 9 तक आपका एकदम सेम सवाल है, बस कहीं पे कुछ फंक्शंस दूसरे हैं, जैसे x प्लस 2, x माइनस 3, 2x माइनस 1, बस आपको x की वैल्यू पुट करके, और जो x की वैल्यू आएगी वो आपको उस fx में जा करके पुट कर देना है, वो हमारा रिमाइंडर होगा। मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 भी बता दे रहा हूँ, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, व्हेन fx इज 3x to the power 4 minus 6x square minus 8x plus 2 is divided by x minus 2, is divided by x minus 2, means x minus 2 is equals to 0. Solution, that is equals to x is equals to 2. Therefore, in the place of x we have to put the 2. जहाँ x है वहाँ पे हम लोग को 2 करना है, पुट करना है। पुट करने के बाद प्लस माइनस करने के बाद आपको जो आंसर आएगा वही हमारा रिक्वायर्ड रिमाइंडर होगा। ओके फ्रेंड्स, देन f2 इज इक्वल्स टू 3 इंटू 2 to the power 4 minus 6 into 2 square minus 8 into 2 and plus 2, that is equals to 3 into 2 to the power 4 is 8 minus 6 into 2 to the power 2 is 4 minus 8 into 2 is 16 plus 2, that is 24 minus 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 6 4s are 24, minus 16 plus 2, minus 16 plus 2, that is now 48. 3 into 16 is 48, minus 6 into 4 minus 24, minus 16 plus 2. Now 48 plus 2, that is 50, and minus 24 and minus 16 is 40, is minus 40, and 50 minus 40 is 10, and this is f2 is 10. Means when fx is divided by f minus a, then fa is our required remainder. यही तो है रिमाइंडर थ्योरम, है ना. Hence required remainder is 10. That is answer. Now friends, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से 9 तक एकदम सेम है, आप लोग खुद से बना लीजिएगा. मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 और आपको 11 बता दे रहा हूँ. बहुत ही सिंपल है, बहुत ही आसान है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से 9 तक में आपको कोई दिक्कत होने वाली बात नहीं है. मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर आपको 10 बता दे रहा हूँ. ओके फ्रेंड्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 है द पॉलिनोमियल. दो पॉलिनोमियल्स हैं, है ना. ax क्यूब plus 3x square minus 3 and 2x cube minus 5x plus a when divided by x minus 4, when divided by x minus 4 leaves the same remainder, leaves same रिमाइंडर क्या आता है दोस्तों? रिमाइंडर सेम आता है. तो आपको फाइंड करना है, फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ a. मीन्स क्या है? व्हेन ax क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर, मतलब यहाँ पे एक fx है, मान लेते हैं ये gx है, दो पॉलिनोमियल है. जब रिमाइंडर, जब किसी x माइनस 4 से जब हम इसको डिवाइड करते हैं, x माइनस 4 से जब fx और gx को डिवाइड करते हैं सेम x माइनस 4 से, तो रिमाइंडर क्या आता है? सेम आता है. तो हम लोग को फाइंड आउट करना है क्या? a का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है ना दोस्तों. सॉल्यूशन निकालते हैं हम लोग. x माइनस 4 इज 0, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू x इज इक्वल्स टू 4, एंड fx हमारे पास क्या है? fx है ax क्यूब प्लस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 3, दैट इज equals to f4 is equals to a into 4 cube. जहाँ जहाँ x है वहाँ पे 4 आपको पुट करना है, प्लस 3 into 4 स्क्वायर माइनस 3, that is a. 4 4 जा 16, 16 4 जा 64, प्लस 4 4 जा 16 into 3 48 माइनस 3, that is 64a plus 45, 64a plus 45. Now gx is equals to 2x cube minus 5x plus a, when g4 is equals to, g4 is 2 into 4 cube minus 5 into 4 plus a, that is 2 into 64 minus 20 plus a, 128 minus 20 plus a, that is 108 plus a, and leaves the remainder same, that is 64 plus 64a plus 45 is equals to 108 plus a, 108 plus a। जैसा कि हम लोगों ने निकाला f4 is equals to 64 plus a, 64a plus 45, and g4 is equals to 108 plus a, and it gives the same remainder, that is g4 is equals to f4, that is 64a plus 45 is equals to 108 plus a, and when we solve this it gives 64a minus a is equals to 108 minus 45, it gives 63a is equals to 63, and a is equals to 63 upon 63, that gives 1, and the value of a is 1. Now friends, question number 11 is, when fx is equals to x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax plus b, when divided by x minus a and x plus 1 also, when divided by x minus a and x plus 1 leaves the remainder 5 and 19, means when fx is divided by x minus 1 leaves the remainder 5, and when this fx is divided by x plus 1 leaves the remainder 19, then we have to find a and b. Also find the remainder when this fx is divided by x minus 2. This is the question. Now when fx is divided by x minus 1, when fx is divided by x minus 1, that is x minus 1 is equals to 0, it gives x is equals to 1, and fx is equals to x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax plus b, and f1 is equals to 1 to the power 4 minus 2 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus a into 1 plus b. It gives 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus a plus b. It gives 1 and 3, 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 minus a plus b. That is f1 is equals to 2 minus a plus b. This is our first equation, and this is our first equation. Now when I am writing here question number 11, continue, when this fx is divided by x minus x plus 1, means x plus 1 is equals to 0, that is x is equals to minus 1, then fx is equals to x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus ax plus b, means f minus 1 is equals to minus 1 to the power 4 minus 2 into minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square minus a into minus 1 and plus b, that is 1 cube is minus 1 minus 2 is plus 2 plus 3 minus 1 into minus a is plus a plus b, that is equals to 3 2 5 5 1 6 6 plus a plus b, 6 plus a plus b, and here it gives the remainder 5 and here it gives the remainder 15. This is equation number 2. Therefore Therefore 2 minus a plus b, it gives the remainder 5, and 6 plus a plus b, it gives the remainder 19. Here minus 1 and plus 1 will be cancelled out. This will be 6 to 8 plus 2b is equals to 24, and b is equals to 2b is equals to 24 minus 8, that is 16, that is guys 16, and b is equals to 16 by 2, that is equals to 8. Therefore b is 8. This is answer. Now put the value of b, that is equals to 8, in any of the equation. We put in the equation number 1. From equation 1 we have 2 minus a plus b is equals to 5. Then 2 minus a, b is 8 is equals to 5. Then 2 and 8 is 10. 10 minus a is equals to 5. Therefore guys, minus a is equals to 5 minus 10, that is equals to minus a is equals to minus 5. Both minus will be cancelled out. Then a is equals to 5, and then a is equals to 5. Now we already find the value a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 8. Then fx. Now find the remainder when fx, this fx is divided by x minus 2, is divided by x minus 2. Okay friends, therefore x minus 2 is equals to 0, that is x is equals to 2, and in the place of x we have to put the value 2. Then f2 is equals to 2 to the power 4 minus 2 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square minus a is 5 into 2 plus b is 8, and we solve it. 2 to the power 4 16 minus 2 to the power 3 8. 8 into 2 is 16 plus 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 3s are 12 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 8. This plus 16 and this minus 16 will be cancelled out. Here 12 and 8 is 20. 20 minus 10 is equals to 10. Therefore f2 is equals to 10. Hence required remainder is 10, and this is our answer. I know कि ये जो सम था क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, ये बाकी काफ़ी लंबा था, लेकिन मैंने आपको जो बताया उम्मीद है कि आपको ये समझ में आया होगा। नहीं समझ में आया होगा तो आप मुझे कृपया करके कमेंट बॉक्स में अपना कमेंट कर सकते हैं। मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, शेयर करिए अपने दोस्तों में ताकि उनको भी कुछ फ़ायदा हो। और जो भी ऐसे फ्रेंड्स हैं आपके जो नहीं देखे हैं अभी तक मेरा वीडियो, तो उसको शेयर करिए। और आपने भी जो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो उसको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जा करके वहाँ से आप लिंक से ले करके देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, हैव ए नाइस डे।